Under My Roof can help you stay on top of regular maintenance for your home and belongings. To create a maintenance task, tap or click the plus button in the Maintenance Task section of the detail view for the item, home, location, or collection you wish to create the task for. Give the task a name. For tasks that are repeated at regular intervals, you will need to set a start date and how often the task is repeated. A task scheduled as only once can have an optional due date and will not be rescheduled after it is checked off. As needed tasks are for maintenance that is performed only when necessary and not at a regular interval. Tap or click an existing maintenance task to view or edit the task details. You can also add or edit the supplies needed to perform the task. See the supplies tutorial video for more details. The history section shows you a log of all the times the task was performed, along with the total cost for that particular maintenance. To check off an occurrence of a maintenance task, tap or click the circle next to the name of the task. This will bring up an edit panel for the maintenance record, which will be created in the repairs section as part of the maintenance history of the associated item, home, location, or collection. You can set the skip field to yes if you are skipping this occurrence. You can also include any details regarding the cost of the maintenance and contractor you wish to appear in the maintenance record. Any supply usage and cost associated with a maintenance task will automatically be included in the maintenance history record. Under My Roof also has a global maintenance schedule you can view by tapping or clicking the Options button and selecting Maintenance Schedule from the Options panel. Here you can view all tasks for the current inventory and its associated items, locations, and collections that recur at regular intervals, as well as only once tasks that have a due date. You can also check off tasks in the maintenance schedule.